I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Authenticator to 1xBet. First, navigate to the 1xBet app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up to your account on 1xBet. Next, tap on the menu option shown at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the gear icon to reach the settings of your account. Here, select Security Settings and it will show a two-factor authentication option. Then, tap on it and choose the Show QR Code option. Take the screenshot of the QR code shown here for later use. Once the screenshot is taken, reach the Google Authenticator app. It will show you a code and copy the provided code. Here, it's not showing on the screen due to privacy reasons. Next, go to the 1xBet app and paste the code in the given area. After that, hit the Send Code button and it will send you a confirmation code. As you enter the code in the given space, you'll be able to add Google Authenticator to 1xBet.